Another banger.
Hey guys, it's your girl Rare African. I'm back again with another video. I was about to forget what I was gonna say. Anyways, I'm back again with another video, and I got you guys an unboxing Telfar bags, as well as how I style my Telfar bags, just giving you guys some outfit ideas and some inspo on how you can style your Telfar bags. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn that red button into gray if you're not subscribed, and also hit that notification bell so you guys can stay updated to whenever I upload. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or if you like any of the outfits that I shared. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. So everyone, I got my Telfar bags. They came in December, mid-December. So I ordered my Telfar bags in August when they had their first bag security program, and I was just like, you know what, let me go ahead and do that, because the way I've been stressing and trying over the summer to cop me a bag when they had the releases, it wasn't gonna happen, bruh. I was not gonna be able to get myself a bag due to the bots. Like literally when you log on to Telfar and the time is up for the bags, 1 minute, not even 1 minute, cry, like 30 seconds into 12 o'clock p.m., okay? 30 milliseconds or whatever the correct time thing is. And then it's sold out. By the time you add it to the cart and you're trying to check out, it's sold out. Telfar offered a bag security program, which is basically where you can purchase any size and any color for 24 hours in the 24 hours time range. And that's what I did. When they had their first bag security program, I was just like, yo, let me cop like 2 bags and just call it a day. So I got myself 2 Telfar bags. I got myself a small size as well as a medium size. The first bag is my small one. I love my small one so much because it's in gold, which is one of my favorite colors. I love gold, especially in accessories, and I had to get this bag in gold. So this is the gold Telfar bag. Look how beautiful that is. It's more of like a white gold, platinum kind of gold, not that yellow gold that you guys can see on my jewelry right here, but more of a white gold. I love it so much. This is so cute. It's such a nice staple and such a simple yet luxury, affordable luxury to have in your closet, which I really love about Telfar, because they're affordable. Even though they're of a luxury brand, they're not super duper expensive. They're not like worth $1,000, just like $100 or $200 to be honest. But yeah, this is what I got, the small size. This is basically what it looks like without the straps. I just tucked the straps inside the bag, which looks like so, and then the straps out. This is basically what it looks like. You guys will see a more detailed version of how it looks like on during my lookbook that will be coming up in this video. So yeah, this is it with the straps. I really like wearing it as like a crossbody, like so. It just looks nice, and I just like the way it sits like right above my hip. I'm like 5'6", so it's like it sits like actually not right above my hip. But I love it so much just because it can make it such a sporty look when you're doing the crossbody, or you could just do it very chic and classic and simple, and just do it like that simple 2-handled style, like so. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the other Telfar bag that I got, which is in the size medium. So here's the medium Telfar bag, and I got it in the color orange. So I don't have any orange bags in my closet, so I was just like, you know what, let me do something different, you know, because I really want to add more color and more variety into my closet instead of getting the simple pieces items that I'm kind of used to. The fact that I've been choosing different products and like trying different color and merchandise and everything, it's honestly has helped me to expand my style and really just dive deeper into how I want to express myself clothing wise. So I was really glad that I was able to get the medium orange. This orange is like loud, but it's not like too loud, and it can really turn your outfit up a notch, especially if your outfit is so simple and you just need something to just like, hey, I'm here, and it's like this outfit's not simple, but this is it type thing. I don't even know what the heck I said. Anyways, I got it in a medium orange. Okay, I already said that, I know. So yeah, this is basically with comparison with the small besides it. This is the medium, this is the small, this is basically what it looks like. It would be very nice if Telfar added like a medium right in between of these, like a size like that would be really nice. But so far I really like the size of both of these and just love it. Both of the bags, the material inside of the bags is more of like a nylon kind of material, a little bit more sturdier than that probably, but it's not, I feel like it's kind of nylon, but also it's like something else. How can I explain it? I don't know how to explain it. I feel like it's more nylon, but inside the medium has some great storage and space in there. I love how they have that zipper pocket right here, so you could just store in any, like, you know, tampons or lip glosses or small items that you want to just store in there and not get lost in the bag. So I definitely love that. And this is basically what it looks like with the straps. And this is what it looks like as a crossbody. Not too bad, but I really love it as a crossbody. Love it as that simple classic look as well. Just love it all, honestly. And again, all you just gotta do is just tuck the straps in, easy as that. And yeah, I think I got the medium for about $202, and then I got the small bag for $150. So honestly, not too bad for a luxury item. It's very affordable. Like, this is affordable luxury item. And the total for both of these were $352. So I think that was a good deal compared to spending like $4,000 on 2 bags or something like that. So I think that was a good deal. And of course I had to support, you know, Black owned business, Black owned brand. I gotta do it. Yeah, so now that I've shown you guys my Telfar bags, I'm gonna go ahead and style them. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little lookbook. Let me know if you guys want me to expand on those outfits. Not even on those outfits. Let me know if you want me to expand that lookbook and show you guys more outfits on how to style your Telfar bags. Just give me a comment, leave a comment in the comment box below, and also like this video if you guys want another lookbook for these how to style Telfar bags. Okay, so let's just go ahead and just hop on to the lookbook. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on, and leave me a comment on which outfit was your favorite, which bag was your favorite out of what I bought, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.